If you're a hiker like I am, then you know that there is no better feeling than when you wake up early on a summer morning to go to your favorite hiking trail in New Jersey with your best friends. You know that there is no better feeling than taking a deep breath at the top of a mountain peak or when you're finished with an entire hike. But here's the thing. New Jersey is a highly urbanized state, which means New Jersey is warming faster than the rest of the Northeast region and the world. Climate projections suggest that average annual temperatures in New Jersey can increase to up to 6 degrees Fahrenheit by 2050. This increase in average annual temperatures will affect hiking in New Jersey, and here's why. An increase in temperature will lead to more intense heat waves, which will result in an increase in heat-related mortalities. Under a high-emission scenario, this increase can be as much as 55% when compared to the 1990s. When you're walking for miles, out of breath from exerting so much energy, intense heat can be very dangerous as it can cause you to pass out on the side of the mountain or miles deep in a trail where it might take a very long time for help to be on the way. Like heat waves, New Jersey-specific studies have confirmed that rainfall is intensifying because of climate change. This map here shows the upper range of how much additional rainfall may occur under a moderate emission scenario. And as you can see, the projected changes will be greater in the northern part of the state, where a lot of our favorite mountains are located. This puts our hiking trails in danger, as excessive rainfall will cause soil to erode and will create wet and muddy trail conditions. These can be hazardous for hikers as they can increase the chances of slips, trips, and falls, and can also cause mudslides or rock slides. While climate change is expected to increase the intensity of rainfall events, it is also expected to extend the duration of drier periods. Increased drought conditions will add stress to our local water supplies, which is dangerous for hikers who rely on water sources to stay hydrated. Droughts also exacerbate another threat to hikers, which is wildfires. In New Jersey, over 1,000 wildfires damage 7,000 acres of the state's forests each year. As climate conditions become hotter and drier, these wildfires will only grow more intense and destructive. Just this year, Wharton State Forest in South Jersey was severely impacted by a wildfire that was started by an illegal campfire. Luckily, no one was hurt in the wildfire, but trails were forced to close, and hikers that were on the trail when the fire started had difficulty seeing and breathing. Even though the changing climate will present obstacles in our hiking adventures, we can still enjoy our favorite activity if we plan to do so cautiously. When you plan your hiking trips, plan to go on days when the temperatures are lower, avoid going on days after heavy rain events, pack plenty of water, and if you're staying overnight, do not start illegal campfires. While it is important to learn how to adapt, it is also important to think about solutions to help mitigate climate change. Some of our favorite hiking clothing brands are starting the fight against climate change, like Patagonia, who donates every dollar received in sales towards combating the environmental crisis. If we make choices to shop for these clothing brands that we know are donating to the cause, then that is one step in the right direction towards mitigating climate change. Since humans are the problem, we can also be the solution. If we all work together to make greener choices, then we can continue hiking in New Jersey for the years to come.